Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the bike upright on a stable stand and collecting tools: socket set, torque wrench, breaker bar, and the new front sprocket. Once the bike is stable, remove any covers blocking the sprocket. This gives you clear access and prevents damage. Loosen the chain by rotating the rear wheel or adjusting the tensioners so you have approximately 1/2 inch of additional slack. This initial slack lets you slip the chain off the sprocket without forcing parts, which avoids bending the chain or damaging the shift components. With the chain slack and removed from the sprocket, secure the rear wheel so the bike can't roll. Use an impact or breaker bar to loosen the countershaft nut. Hold the sprocket flange so it doesn't rotate. Once the nut and washer are off, pull the old sprocket straight off the shaft, noting spacer orientation and any keyway alignment. Clean the shaft, inspect the seal and spacer for wear, and replace any deformed components. Doing this ensures proper seating and prevents wobble or premature bearing wear. You press the new sprocket onto the countershaft, noting the keyway and spacer alignment. Then reinstall the washer and torque the nut to the manufacturer's specification using a calibrated wrench. Once torqued, retension the chain to the recommended slack, align the rear wheel, and snug pinch bolts to spec. Rotate the drivetrain by hand to check smooth engagement, then take a short test ride and retorque the nut after heat cycles. If you hear abnormal noise or feel vibration, recheck nut torque and sprocket seating as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.